Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you a quick overview of the Dynamic Sauna, the Garcia model. I purchased this sauna through selectsaunas.com, and if you stay to the end of the video, I will be able to tell you how you can purchase this same exact sauna or other ones that are on that website using your HSA or FSA account. So real quick, just a quick footprint note. From that end to that end, the sauna is 39 inches. From this corner here to the end of the wall, it is 35 inches. And then from the floor to the ceiling, it is 75 inches. It's a two-person job to put together. It actually took me longer to get this thing out of the box than it was to actually assemble. All the walls are prefab, so all you really have to do is on the sides here, there are interlocking pins on the inside that you can't see, and the walls just slide together. And then in the back, I don't know if I'll be able to get it, but there's clasps. I can't get it, but there's clasps in the back, and it all assembles together. The unit is very easy to use, very simple. I did add some modifications already, and if you're interested in that, my suggestion is to go to Matt Justice's website on YouTube, certifiedsaunas.com, and he has a step-by-step tutorial to do the additions that I did. So going into the sauna, I have it turned on already. Very simple keypad. Turn it on. This is your temperature gauge. It goes up to 150 degrees. This controls your light in here, and then this is your timer. Set it for an hour. It takes about a half an hour to heat up to 130 degrees, and then from there on in, it'll reach 150 for the remainder of the time. So I'm going to start the warm-up process now. Once you start it, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but once it stops blinking, the timer is set. So here are the heater layouts. There's 6 of them. There's one here. There are 2 in the back. And then there is 2 more over here. And then there is 1 on the bottom. This says it is a 1 to 2 person sauna. If you try to get 2 people in here, it's gonna be uncomfortable. I tried it with my wife and it was very uncomfortable. My only issue is now I'm in, and I will shut the glass. My only complaint is that these heater elements here on the side, they don't go all the way down to the floor. So there's a gap here, and so when you're sitting there, your ankles, it doesn't really get hot here. And then the other minor complaint really is there's no floor heater, which to me, not really a deal breaker. This is a budget sauna. On the website now, it says it's $2,300 and it's on sale for $1,700. You do with that price as you will. And then here is the ceiling here. There is a vent right here, open and close. And then I added these red light therapy lights here. It was actually really simple to use. Like I said, if you go to Matt Justice's website on certifiedsaunas.com, he has a step-by-step tutorial. It's just a 1/4-inch drill through here, and he has links to all these pieces on his Amazon store. And then I actually added an air freshener / ozone to help freshen up the sauna after you use it. So and then for these lights, what I did was I just again followed the step-by-steps. There's a little remote and they're connected. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, and off. You can add up to 3 different plugs with this one remote. I'm only utilizing the 2. The lights that I purchased, these are red light therapy lights. I have the boxes over here, and then I also added NIR bulbs as well. These are the Ruby Lux NIR bulbs. There you go. And yeah, so overall, completely satisfied with the sauna for what I was looking for. What me and my wife were looking for was basically just to get in there, get hot, get sweaty, and it does the job fantastic for us, for what we need. It does say that it's low EMF and all those other words, but who knows how really accurate that is. I don't have a meter to test it, but for us and what we want and our price point, this worked out fantastic. So if you go on to selectsaunas.com, when you go to cash out, you can elect to use your FSA or your HSA account. And when you select that, it takes you to a link on TrueMed, and you answer some questions, and they basically send you via email a letter of medical necessity. Once you get that letter, you take it and you upload it to your app or whatever you use for your HSA, FSA account. Once that is in the system, the HSA/FSA will allow you to purchase the sauna. But yeah, so all in all, this works great for us and our family. It does plug into your standard 110 outlet. I haven't popped any lights, anything. I got, as you can see, I got the inside going on. I got my basement fully lit up. All the lights are on. So yeah, but like I said, for us, it's great value, provides everything that we need. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. But again, thank you for your time.